This incredibly spacious, well laid out townhouse is located to so many amenities. We have the Pickering Rec Center, the Pickering Town Center, library, town hall, 401, and so much more. Welcome to this incredibly spacious 3-story townhouse in the heart of Pickering. Walking into this beautiful, bright living space with your balcony for barbecuing and early morning coffees in the summer. Main floor also features your dining area, a 2-piece bathroom, and a fantastic kitchen. Here we are on the second level. We have laundry, we have a massive walk-in closet, and this huge primary bedroom with a full ensuite. Here we are on the third level. Beautiful seating area, 2 extra bedrooms, a large storage area, and a full bathroom. Thanks so much for taking this tour of our new home for sale at 1400 The Esplanade, Unit 609. Any questions whatsoever or to book your private showing, call the number above. And don't forget, click below, subscribe, and keep up to date on all our homes for sale.